Hi. So, I've been quiet for a while now. That was mostly due to me having examination phase in university. And after that, I took some time off, during which I did not work on my game. Though I was working on another game, but only to improve my skills. Maybe I can show this in another video. I really hope this format will be becoming more regular now, but let's get to the actual devlog. So, last time I mentioned that I want to use inheritance from now on, and so I did this for my enemies. Of course, this went hand in hand with reworking my slime graphics. I mean, come on, look at that. Pathetic. So I created some new graphics and slapped on some code and had a finished enemy. I also changed the way my slime was animated. Up until now I was using frame-by-frame animations to animate jumping. Now I have different frames for different states of the animation, for example one for jumping and one for doing nothing. And I apply squash and stretch afterwards in code. This is much easier and faster since I don't have to draw all the in-between frames. And I actually think it looks way better now. As I also mentioned last time, some of my code is pretty old and bad, and therefore reworking my enemy system took longer than expected. After the enemies were kind of finished, I thought about replacing my, I guess you can call it parry mechanic? I realized it's way too easy to spam attack an enemy, since its projectile will be destroyed with melee attacks and it will be damaged by it. So I thought it would be a good idea to remove that feature and add a dash instead. In the end I ended up keeping both features, since without the parry mechanic melee weapons felt too weak. Other than that I added a health potion that will heal you when consumed. This showed me that I might have to rework my item system in the future, mainly because I found two functions that did exactly the same thing but were named differently. Well, as long as it works, that's fine, I think. I also added another room, which is way bigger than the room you have seen up until now, so that I can fight against multiple enemies without having space issues. Oh yeah, I also added destructible objects. For now those have no specific function, but in the future they will drop items. And that's it for this time. If you want to wait another 2 months before a new devlog comes out and you want to be notified immediately when that happens, feel free to subscribe. And if you have criticism or suggestions for my game, leave it in the comments below. Otherwise, until next time, bye.